Alright guys, so I'm editing the vlog now. It's looking pretty good, but this one's going to be a bit of an unconventional vlog because since everything's been a bit mixed matched, I'm just going to have a bit of a title screen, explain what's going on, and then just dive straight into like content and things. There's not going to be as much talking in this video. If you don't have time to watch the whole thing, I do suggest you do watch the whole thing. But if you don't have time, I'm going to have timestamps down in the description where you can skip to certain aspects, like the Taj Mahal or when went to the foothills of the Himalayas. And other than that, I hope you guys have been enjoying the vlogs. This will probably be my last vlog actually in India, but I'll have another vlog in South Africa of me traveling, coming back home, things like that. Besides that, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Consider subscribing, nearly at 100 subscribers. That is absolutely amazing. And I thank you all for joining me on this journey, and I hope you stick around. Thanks. Bye, guys. So guys, next up on our day trip today is this Buddhist temple. It looks absolutely beautiful. It's massive, and yeah, let's get into that. Okay guys, welcome to Carl's cooking show. Today we're going to be cooking some ramen noodles, Indian style. Let's check it out. Right, step one. Full kettle. Gotta fill it up nice. I don't know whereabouts to. I guess we'll judge how much ramen we're going to cook. I'd say probably about a 1 liter. Right, don't worry, this is fresh drinking water. I don't know how to show you that. But I have cleaned the kettle. Okay, on to step 2. Right, attach kettle to base. Next step, pour ramen noodles in kettle. Don't worry, all you concerned mothers, I have cleaned this kettle. Oh, there goes my fork. I cleaned this kettle prior to this, and apparently this is the way to do it. I now need to get my fork out of there. I will come back to you. Okay, I have got the fork. Now, next step, plug the kettle in. Okay, plug kettle in. I have cleaned this kettle, so hopefully it's kosher. I'm not so sure though. I mean, this thing's covered in noodles. But anyway, okay, close kettle, switch on. Leave until boils. Come back once finished boiling. Right, quick update. Let's see how the noodles are doing. Yeah, it's looking pretty steamy, I think. Let's come back once they're done. Okay, right. Now that our noodles have boiled, okay, that's quite hot. So let's just wait a little bit and take the lid off. Oh. Right. Okay, so now I'm using this cup noodles cup from earlier, which I washed because there's no cutlery or bowls or whatever. So I just washed this out, and yeah, I guess I'm going to use this. So let's go ahead.
No, there's so much Okay, we'll clean it up. But these look good. Okay. Okay. Oh, check it out, guys. Jeez. Oh. Aha. Oh. Oh, fuck, I'm gonna open the door. Oh! Fuck! Ah ha ha ha! Okay, we're done now. We're done. Noodles are over. Cut this, cut this. Let's move on. Montage of the school. Go. No, go away, Ollie. Go away. Go away.
Okay guys, so we made it up the mountain pass. We climbed 1,000 meters in elevation. It's absolutely beautiful out here. I don't know how to explain it. I'm gonna throw in a couple of snapshots of our trip now. I think I'm gonna throw in a few photos though, because I think we're gonna be on a hike and I'm gonna try and record as much as possible. But yeah, I think it's gonna be dope. So guys, we're currently at a cafe slash pub on top of a mountain. There's nice food here and things, so we're gonna sit here for a bit, eat a bit, but it's absolutely beautiful, amazing view, so why don't we check it out. So guys, I'm at the Taj Mahal now, and yeah, I don't know what to say, just look at it. So guys, Taj Mahal was beautiful, but now we're at a big door, so let's check that out.
Yeah. Yeah, send it to camera, send it to camera.
Great.
Okay, I'm going backwards, faster. Faster, turn left.
There's a cliff, turn left, turn left. You're right, you're right.
It's for the vlog. I can't.
What's
Oops, I'm so scared.
Look what you're telling me.
I'm putting my pants right now. No, sit down. I can't see, man. I'm genuinely gonna cack on my pants. Do you wanna choose that? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my. Oh shit!
Yo, stop aiming for
Here we are, boys. Here we are.